What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you what your problem probably is. Just in case for some reason when you turn your windshield wipers on, you have like a loud banging noise when your windshield wipers are working. It'll sound like this right here. Okay, you hear that noise right there? That's a noise that can be very annoying, and I'm going to show you how to fix that and what your problem is. Alright folks, so we outside now at the windshield wipers. I'm going to show you exactly what your problem is. The problem is that you have your windshield wipers on the wrong side. This side right here, you see this one over here on your passenger side, actually belongs on your driver's side. On your windshield wipers you have two different sizes on most vehicles. You'll have, like on this one, you have a size 24 and you have a size 21. What the person did on this one was they put the size 24 on the passenger side and put the size 21 on the driver's side. And because they did that, what's going on is the end of the windshield wiper, if you see right here, is actually hitting the side of the vehicle right here. So what they would need to do pretty much is just trade out the windshield wipers. Also, if you have like a scraping noise on your vehicle, sometimes you turn your windshield wiper on, the problem with that could be is that your windshield wiper, the actual like blade part of it, is actually tilted up instead of tilted down. And to correct that, there's a way you could do it on a lot of vehicles. You can just kind of take this arm itself right here and take like some vice grips or pliers or something and kind of bend it up towards your windshield, like the whole thing, like not like bend up this, but you want to bend it like sideways like that. Take some vice grips, like pretend my fingers are vice grips like that, and kind of turn up like that. What you're trying to do is get this rubber blade piece to basically be facing down on your windshield versus facing up. But for the issue that I just showed you, which was a loud banging noise in your windshield wipers, all you have to do pretty much is just switch out your windshield wipers. You want to take your, you could take a measuring tape if you want to be sure, but most likely you can see how this one right here is completely hanging off the edge. It's not supposed to be like that, and that's what's causing that noise. I'm gonna go ahead and switch these two windshield wiper blades out, basically taking this 21 and sticking it onto the side, and take the 24 and putting it over there. I'm going both off right now so you can actually see there's two different sizes. This one is longer than this one right here. So always remember that you want to put your longer windshield wiper blade on your driver's side and put your shorter windshield wiper blade on your passenger side. Right, so if your window's making that scraping sound, and I'm showing you what you could do is take like a pair of vice grips or pliers, or sometimes got a pair of pliers right here. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with your windshield wiper itself, but a lot of times it's the arm, which is right here. So you want to take a pair of vice grips or pliers or something, kind of hold it up, and you just kind of want to bend it like that up toward the windshield. And then you may have to do this a few times pretty much until you go in there and turn it on, that scraping noise is down. But like I said, all you're trying to do is get this rubber piece right here to set on your window, not facing up like that, but to face down like that pretty much. So you may have to come out here a couple times. Like I said, grab the arm of it like that and just bend it up until it sets where the rubber piece is facing down on your windshield wiper. I mean on your windshield itself. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.